6.5 by 5 inches. Okay, 6.5 by 5 inches. Cellophane sheet, 30 microns. .5 mm pin. It's just a piece of cake once you practice creating this cone, inshallah. One thumb from right side, okay, from 6.5 inches. One thumb यहाँ पे आप hold करिए, pinch here, just hold your pin here like this and pinch, and from here rotate. One rotation, two rotations, three. Pull from this side, pull, pinch, pull, rotate until you see your thumb is fixed in this. Again, from here, just turn your sheet, keep rotating. My thumb is almost fixed, and make sure that your pin is tight over here. Pull again from here, यहाँ पे थोड़ा ऊपर से खींचिए, फिर यहाँ पे टाइट रहना चाहिए, फिर then you can just rotate. Over here you can apply translucent tape. Make sure it is, you need to hold tightly, okay, and your pin is fixed, almost fixed, not that loose. You can remove it, and I'm just filling my henna, and make sure you fill up to 60 to 70% only, okay. Over here you will see one line, यहाँ पे जो line है, this is the final line you can fill henna, okay. And here I'm using fresh organic henna paste. Fill it, press, press, press. You can fill more. That's it. Up to 70 to 75% you can fill, and then apply pressure, and you can apply translucent tape here just to seal it, and then first rotation from right, then left, then center, rotate, and you can apply translucent tape. And from both the sides, left and from right. Make sure you tightly hold here and fix it on both the sides. That's it. That's it, girls. Here you go. If you want, you can even seal it like this. That's it.